Stifling heat in a small room feels like a trap, doesn't it? Stop sweating through your sleep. Today, we're revealing 5 wall ACs that turn cramped spaces into Arctic escapes. Welcome back. So glad you're here. For the ultimate chill, check the links below to shop. Let's find your perfect breeze. The number 5 product on our list is BLACK+DECKER Window Air Conditioner. Living in a suffocatingly hot room is a psychological tax that drains your creativity and patience every single minute. Most people endure restless nights because heavy-duty units are too bulky and expensive for a modest 150 square foot sanctuary. This BLACK+DECKER compact cooling beast rescues your comfort by fitting into tight spaces that larger models simply ignore. It bypasses the complexity of modern digital displays with intuitive mechanical dials, delivering immediate relief with a simple twist of a knob. For studio apartment dwellers or home office workers, this is a streamlined alternative to complex, built-in systems that require permanent structural changes. While its simplicity is a strength, the lack of a remote control might bother those who hate leaving their bed to adjust settings. Compared to basic fans, the 5000 B2 output provides a localized, biting chill that genuinely changes the atmosphere. You finally gain the freedom to focus on your work instead of the rising humidity. Your tiny space finally feels like a refreshing, high-performance retreat. At number 4 is LG Window Air Conditioner. Your productivity evaporates the moment your workspace turns into a stifling, humid oven. Most people in compact apartments struggle with bulky cooling units that drown out their thoughts with deafening mechanical roars. This LG 5000 B2 powerhouse rescues your focus by operating at a whisper-quiet 50 decibels, making it a dream for concentrated deep work or restful sleep. It fits perfectly into tight spaces, offering a streamlined alternative to permanent structural modifications often required for heavier installations. The intuitive mechanical knobs provide instant gratification without the lag of complex software, while the slide-out filter keeps your air crisp and clean with minimal effort. While the fixed chassis is incredibly sturdy, the absence of a remote means you will need to be within reach to toggle the energy-saving modes. Compared to standard swamp coolers, this delivers a biting, dehumidified chill that genuinely transforms a small room. You finally stop fighting the summer heat and start mastering your environment with ease. Your personal oasis is finally within reach. The third one on our list is Hykolity Window Air Conditioner. A stagnant, humid bedroom can feel like a heavy weight pressing down on your chest during a summer midnight. Most city dwellers struggle with cramped quarters where every square inch of space is precious and traditional bulky units are simply too invasive. This Hykolity 5000 B2 powerhouse shatters that barrier by offering a high-efficiency chill that blankets up to 250 square feet with surgical precision. It integrates seamlessly into your smart home, allowing you to trigger a frosty breeze via smartphone before you even kick off your shoes. This is a game changer for digital nomads and office workers who need a streamlined alternative to permanent through-the-wall installations that often drain your bank account. While the 11.0 SEER rating keeps your electricity bill under control, the lack of a heating mode means it is strictly a warm weather ally. Compared to basic manual units, the automated sleep mode provides a significantly smoother transition into deep, undisturbed rest. You finally reclaim your personal sanctuary from the clutches of the heat. Your home just became the coolest spot on the block. On number 2 is GE Window Air Conditioner. Your tiny bedroom shouldn't feel like a neglected furnace just because central air can't reach that far corner. Most people suffer through humid nights with heavy fans that merely move hot air around without ever dropping the temperature. This GE 5000 B2 unit shatters that discomfort by carving out a frosty sanctuary in spaces up to 150 square feet. It favors mechanical reliability over digital complexity, using simple dials that won't beep or fail during a midnight adjustment. It's the ultimate relief for studio dwellers and workshop warriors who need a streamlined alternative to massive permanent installations. While it purrs at a low 52 decibels, the lack of a remote control means you will need to be hands-on with your climate settings. Compared to bulkier portable units that steal floor space, this compact chassis preserves your room's layout perfectly. You finally gain the power to turn a sweltering dorm into a crisp, livable retreat. Your focus returns as the heat retreats forever. Now moving to the last one is Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner. The silence of your bedroom is often sacrificed for the sake of a cool night, leaving you to choose between heat or a deafening mechanical roar. Most people settle for traditional boxes that rattle their window frames and skyrocket their utility bills. This Midea U-shaped marvel shatters that compromise by utilizing your actual window to trap noise outside, whispering at a mere 32 decibels. It is a game changer for light sleepers who need a high-efficiency alternative to permanent through-the-wall setups that compromise home security. The ingenious design allows you to actually open your window for fresh air without removing the unit. While the DC inverter technology slashes energy consumption by over 35%. While the unique bracket system demands a bit more patience during the initial setup, the sheer tranquility it provides outperforms every standard competitor. It is the ultimate choice for tech-savvy apartment dwellers seeking a sleek, app-controlled sanctuary. You finally reclaim your peace and your view. Refreshment has never felt this futuristic. Among all, the winner is LG. Its exceptional energy efficiency and ultra-quiet performance provide reliable, icy comfort without spiking your electric bill. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best through-the-wall air conditioner for small rooms. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.